This time you are not
Okay,
visible.
okay, okay. I'm visual
No, no, not yet.
now.
Yes, this time is okay.
Okay. So, good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon. How have you been?
I'm also good. And what about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. We are meet
Thank you so
first
much.
time, so you have to introduce little bit yourself.
Okay, of course, ma'am. Well, my name is Lucky. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, but I currently living in Gurugram, Haryana. And I am working person right now. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done graduation 2012 from Gorakhpur University. And nowadays, I started a YouTube channel totally based on communication skills. That's all about me. And
Mm.
now it's your time.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for asking. My name is Kajal Tiwari. I blessed with two kids and I'm a homemaker. I belong to UP, but this time I live in Delhi. And if you want about my education, I have completed my master in Delhi University. And apart from that, B.Ed also. And these days, I'm very passionate to learn this language and I'm a YouTuber also. That's
Oh,
all about to me.
how, oh, thank you, thank you. You are YouTuber. How much subscriber you have?
Little bit, not so more. I think before no, not 2 months, 1.5 months, I have started my YouTube journey and learning also.
The channel also grow up or not?
A little bit, not so more. I already told you.
Okay, okay. Started time something so many problem, but if you still working this proper way, you can lot of subscriber also gain, and I think you earn money also. So I wish you
Actually,
you'll
I try. Ki I
become a
have
success.
upload.
Yeah, right, right. And I wish you will become such a successful person in all life, and you
Thank you
also
so
become a
much.
YouTuber also.
Yes,
Thank you
thank you
so
so
much.
much for your blessing.
So yeah, ma'am, you like you how long been you have learning English?
Only 1.5 months, sir.
Oh my God! But you like face like a so like energetic, and I think you very proud of feel because I'm not like looking only half a month like 1 month. I think your English so good.
But I
Yeah,
don't know why everyone they can say it, but seriously, even these days, when I have started my journey, na, that time I have not maintained my consistency because some reasons, family functions, festivals, and I bless with small kids. So I'm not
yeah,
maintained my
right.
consistency in YouTube and
Yeah,
our
of course.
study.
Yeah, of course, ma'am. Because I'm seeing, I'm looking you because you are like a passionate to English language. That's why you learn very easily. I think.
Maybe actually, sir,
Yeah.
I know that this language little bit in my college time, but I can't comfortable to speak. But now I have tried. Ki I have to learn this language very easily, so I have to
Yeah, ma'am.
try.
Because like so everyone like know about what is the English, but problem is speaking because everyone not trying to speak front of people, a lot of people. This is problem also faces everyone. I think, and nowadays many YouTuber, many women. I think especially for women or girls also want to be very successful person in your own life. So I really appreciate, ma'am, because you are very passionate to
Well,
English language. That's why, yeah,
but these days I'm very passionate. Seriously, matlab, my wish ki I have to learn easily this language and be fluent. But nowadays it's very difficult to maintain all the things to me.
and ma'am, yeah, ma'am, who are motivate you? Who
I
person
motivate
motivate
myself,
you?
sir. I motivate myself seriously
Oh,
because
oh my God.
my kids are small and I have gave good environment to our kids. My son is goes to in third standard nowadays and he is speaking very well. So I have to try. Ki I have speak very well. That's the main reason I have to give good future in our kids.
Yeah, right, ma'am.
Nowadays, the
Now,
English is mandatory to every school in our environment also.
yeah, right. Because
That's
nowadays,
the main
like
reason.
if you not speak English language and you have kids also, and I think a teacher also provide family function, and I think uh, meet family background. So that time. So many hesitation like if you not speak English language that time you are very feel boring. So
Yes, sir.
this thing also like everyone facing problem because I think my problem also same because I'm working person right now and I want to uh, promote my job easily and I think English is very important everyone and I think everywhere. So English is a very important for everyone. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
And
sir. Actually, the main difference is what is the difference of government school and private school? I have a one
sorry.
topic for you. What is the difference between government school and private school?
Yeah, ma'am. Lot of be different because I think first one mindset. I think mindset like everyone like a mindset like government college not like provided in such a kind of things like teacher not present correct time. I think they have no like not skill. They have not like teacher touch like a teacher everything. This is problem. But nowadays, I think government also very uh, care about everything. And I think nowadays government college also improvement and think I think compared to previous previous day. I think, and I think nowadays private is school also so good, but compared to like fees, like amount money, all things provide all kind of things, not good. But I think private school also best, uh, but who are poor family, they have not source of money, and I think they have not like any kind of thing. So how can like send children to private school and then lot of amount pay then after teach. This is a problem. But
And sir, what do you think about in private school?
private school also good, but compared to money, I think private school not like afford everyone,
Sir,
afford
actually, in
everyone.
my thought, and just in my thought, ki private school, all the schools are say that ki it's a private school, but all the schools are not a private school. What is the mean of private school? Private school mean to ki you have to spoken. First of all, first priority is to spoken to single children. You have to speak every children in single. That is the mean of private school. That's why I have to go our kids in private school. Every private school is not spoken in English. Just a famous name in it is a private school.
Yeah, ma'am,
Just
because you
same
are
just
paying
like a
so many.
government school, sir. I feel that ki same
Yeah,
just like a government school because all the children and teachers speak in Hindi in private school also. So first of all, you have everyone is have to search the school properly. Ki school are provided in spoken or not.
yeah,
Then
ma'am,
you
right,
have to
right.
decide
Because
that it is a private school.
yeah, right, ma'am, right. Because like if you send private sector like every child, so the private sector also like a care about like speaking, reading, writing. So many program also provided. But now government school not provide any kind of things and only for like working in the old basis. Yeah, that this is
I
the
think
reason. So
in
but
my thought ki what
nowadays,
is main
everyone, yeah, nowadays everyone not affordable, ma'am, because if you like a poor family, they have not like a source of money. So how can they send a private school and they have like a this is problem, ma'am. I think.
I'm not saying कि everyone goes to our kids in private school. I'm just saying कि first of all, parents are such कि private school is good or not.
Yeah, yeah, right,
Many
right.
private school is like a government school. They spoke in Hindi. They provide a pictures animation type of education, but they speak in
Yeah,
Hindi.
right,
So
yeah, right,
I'm not
right.
saying कि she is a it is a good private school. Just like a government school, even government school is also provide a English medium sections.
Yeah,
A
right,
section
right.
is the English medium section, sir, and childrens are totally all subjects in English. But
Yeah,
teacher
right,
can't
right.
speak in English. Main problem is that teacher can't speak. She teach very well in
Because
English.
I, I'm many times like I'm judging you because all syllabus also CBSE board and they have all syllabus like in English. But teacher also not speak very well English.
Yes,
What is the
that is
reason
the main
behind it?
difference of both schools, sir. Both schools are good. Even teacher, government school teachers are well qualified. They complete hardly exams and
Yeah,
they join in a
yeah,
school,
right,
but they're not
yeah,
able
right,
to speak in English.
yeah, right, right, right.
Just in my thought, ki government school are best. Just provide in spoken, they are best, and all the
Yeah,
people
right,
are
right.
easily affordable fees.
Yeah, right, right, right,
And
right,
in
right, right.
street area, many private schools are open in parking side area, even rooms area that it, but they not provide influent and good education. Just name
But
of famous it is a private school.
ma'am, like ma'am, I can say like every like a private, not a private sector, not good. But I think they have like only decorate
Yes, yes,
front of like a decorate. But
yes,
in ground level, I can see like a ground level. No, like you can say like a zero.
yes, you are correct.
Yeah.
That is the my mean key. What is the difference between a government school and private school? Yes.
Right, right,
All
ma'am.
schools
Right,
are
right,
good,
right.
sir. Our
Yeah, right,
demand
right.
this time nowadays we are demanding in spoken in school, college, office,
Yeah,
all
right, right, ma'am.
anywhere. So
Yeah, right,
just we
right.
have
You
to try.
understand like you understand like what is the mean of English language. That's why you say like English is what is the value of English language. That's why
Yes.
you also say
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Why I
be-
have gave good big money of amount in private school because
Yeah, right.
whenever they cannot give me a good fluent spoken our kids, so why I have to
Yeah,
pay
right.
more money. I have pay
Yeah, right.
even when I have to learn in Hindi that time it's very good option to I have to go our kids in government school because they gave good and good education to our kids.
Yeah, right, 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 ma'am. You are
And
such a
parents
nice
are seriously
nice
this time
woman,
are
ma'am.
fools.
Even such a,
Thank you.
everything knowing, everything knowing. I think you are talented. I think you are talented. Okay, thank you so much
No, no,
to
sir.
share
It's
share
my
thought
pleasure
because
to
you
you
are
can say that.
yeah, right, right, right. Because every time, like
See, sir, I'm a
many
government
time.
school student. Seriously, I'm a
Oh
government
my God.
school student, and I'm a Hindi medium student. That time I'm not knowing that the meaning main of the English medium section.
Yeah,
I just
right, right, right.
yes, I'm a Hindi medium student, and nowadays I know that the value of Hindi medium students and English medium students. What is the difference between? That's the main
Yeah,
reason
right,
I have
right.
to learn this language. I have to prove myself. I have to do all the things is very easy.
In future, what do you plan, ma'am? In future,
In
what do you
future, I
plan?
become a teacher, sir. That's the main reason I
Oh
have
my
completed my
God.
B.Ed.
I guess you because you're like a only talking like a style of like a teachers also. So I'm guessing you are
Before,
become a teacher also. So
yes,
thank
sir,
you so
before
much
years,
because teacher also.
I have joined a school before years and tuition classes also. But that time we are a mother, and it's very difficult to manage all the things.
Yeah,
So I
right,
have decided in
right,
future when my children are
right,
grown
right.
up, then I have to
And
join
how
any
to
school.
how to how to time management, ma'am? How to time management, like doing,
It's
like you
difficult,
are
sir. That's the main reason I'm
you
not
you are a
maintaining consistency.
housewife, and you have kids also, and they have like lot
And
of
sir, I'm a
work in
daughter-in-law also,
home.
and
Oh my
daughter-in-law
God.
also,
Oh
and
my
it's
God.
difficult to manage all the things.
I really appreciate, ma'am. I really appreciate. I proud feel,
And
ma'am,
I'm a soldier
because
wife,
I
sir.
think this
All the things are
I
very
think,
difficult.
yeah, right, right. If you like a, if you like a work in a different kind of, that time you face like a difficulty. But after that, sometime after, you feel proudly. You feel proudly. Everyone give respect, because you are choosing this platform, not only yourself, background, your family background, your surrounding, like a community, your so many people also you give respect. And I think your call you English ma'am. English
Thank
ma'am.
you.
this
Thank
is
you. Thank you
this
so
is a
much for giving this honor.
this is a specialty of like a English language. If you English is not like required, like how much you have is education, you have like how much your like study, not matter. If you speak fluency, if you understand English, you can't like you not like judge everyone who are like front of me, and have you have like education or not. This is a specialty, man.
Yes, sir. I gave you a single tip for your communication. You don't try it's a Hindi word and you have to use in our communication in English. So it's not a good to you in future. Just you have to skip
Yeah, man. Yeah, ma'am. Right. Because like I'm also Hindi medium, and you also Hindi medium,
yes,
and
yes,
I think my Blaze also speak Bhojpuri, and I'm also Bhojpuri, and I
yes,
think
yes.
this is a mindset. The mindset or
Yes,
not
yes.
all
Even I know that very well in
easily.
Bhojpuri, sir. I talk with my mother-in-law in Bhojpuri language.
Yeah,
I know that very well this language.
and yeah, ma'am. Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Nice to
thank you.
meet you. I think it's a very
Thank you,
long
thank
session. It's
ma'am.
difficult to place.
Don't call me sir, because I'm not sir. You are you are aged person, and I think this things not like
Sir, it mean to give a respect. I have gave you respect.
okay. Give respect, tag respect, but this is my privacy, ma'am. Like I'm not a sir, because I'm beginner, and I speak. I want to speak English, so that's why I'm able to front of you. You call me only lucky. Don't call me sir.
Okay,
Okay.
next time we are trying. Okay, I have to say
Thank you.
that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. If you
Nice
if
to
you
meet
have
you, sir.
time, you can connect me. If you, yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you
Sir,
so
I
much.
have uploaded this video in YouTube. You don't have problem.
Okay. No issue. No issue. You can upload.
Okay, bye, sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet